Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you how to call in USA and Canada for free. So for this you need to be with me at the end of the video, and if you like the video just give a thumbs up, okay, and if you like the channel just subscribe to my channel, okay. So I will be taking you to my phone screen, okay, just give me a moment. So you can see my like phone screen, right? So the first thing you need to do, you need to just go to your Play Store or your App Store and just type text now, okay. And you can see I've already installed it. You can install it, okay. And now I will be opening this app. So if you open this app, okay, let's see. You can leave it for now, like you can tap on all now, you just skip, and you can see the interface, right? So like the first like I need to tell you that if you are calling in USA or Canada, then only it will be free. But like if you're calling in any other country, like in any other country like in UK or Australia, you need to like buy some credit. If you have don't any credit, like if you install the app, it you will get some credit. But after like after 2 or 3 months, so it will be got deducted. So you need to buy some credit. And now I can show you how this works. You allow all these things and just go and type any number, like I'm showing you to, like, oh, in USA it's 10. Okay, okay. The call is going. Yeah, so that's it for now. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up, okay. See you in the next video.